Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel Nitya's Bio. Today in Organisms and Populations, we will be studying about population interactions. There are two different types of interactions that can occur in between the organisms. One is intraspecific interactions and the next one is interspecific interactions. Intraspecific interactions is when the interaction occurs between the organisms of same species. Interspecific interactions is when the interactions occur between the organisms of two different species. The interaction to be positive only when the species are benefited. They can be mutually benefited or they need not hurt the other organism to get their benefit. In such cases, we call the interaction to be positive. When is it negative? When either both of the organisms are being hurt or any one organism is being hurt while the interaction, we call such interactions to be negative. Let us now learn the different types of interactions with the help of this table. We have taken species A in column 1 and species B in column 2 and the type of interactions that they are undergoing. First one, where species A is benefited and species B is also benefited, which we call it as mutualism. Here you simply see a give and take policy. Second type of interaction is where species A is harmed as well as species B is harmed. Maybe a fight is going on between them for some source. Yes, this type of interaction we call it as competition, where both of these species are hurt. The third interaction where species A is benefited and species B is harmed. Here we call it as predation. Fourth type of interaction where species A is benefited and species B is once again harmed. We call it as parasitism. Both of them involves the benefit for one species whereas the other species is harmed. Whereas the difference here is predation is when a predator kills the prey to get its benefit. Whereas parasitism is where the organism lives inside or outside the body of the host and causes harm slowly without killing it. The fifth type of interaction that we have is commensalism, where species A is benefited and species B remains unaffected. This is neutral here. Whereas sixth one is amensalism, where species A is affected or harmed but species B remains unaffected.